from ideas to a concrete action plan. This program will be aimed at future entrepreneurs, and startups to provide a step-by-step manual on how to transform a business idea into a plan, evaluating its feasibility in different scenarios and the risks associated with its execution. At the end of this course, the participants will understand that entrepreneurship is a process that requires the proper search and allocation of resources to make objectives viable. This course seeks to make the participant conceptually familiar with the business plan and its structure, as well as the recognition of the importance of the plan for entrepreneurship and its transition to success.
The approach includes theoretical and practical aspects related to what the business plan is and what it is for, description of the business, the general environment, and the sector, among others, such as validation route of a business idea, aimed at knowing the importance of creating a business plan for the development of the business idea and entrepreneurship. The business plan, the new vision of this essential tool for any entrepreneurial project. Business model, formulation of a business model for a new enterprise or startup. Generating value in your enterprise. Marketing at the service of the entrepreneur, aimed at knowing the importance of marketing management and its strategies for the development and consolidation of the business idea. Market segment, target market, and how to identify it. Going from the idea to the value proposition. The product and its versions. How to determine the price of the product. Distribution channels, interfaces between the product and clients. Relationships, types and their effectiveness, depending on the phase of the idea. Revenue streams, how do customers prefer to pay? Criteria for selection. Business efficiency, aimed at learning key resources, what to have and when to have it. Key activities, what must be done and constantly measured, key allies, types of alliances and their objectives, and cost structures, what remains at the time of running a business. Idea,